Margaret, are you grieving over Goldengrove unleaving? Leave like the things of man. You with your fresh thoughts care for. Can you, as the heart grows older, it will come to such delights colder. By and by, nor spare a sigh. The world's of wanwood leafmeal lie, and yet you will weep and know why. Now, no matter, child, the name, Sórrow spríngs are the same, nor mouth had known, nor mind expressed what heart heard of ghost guessed. It is the blight man